Hello my people, we are introducing to you durable 16 inches 4-in-1 rechargeable standing fan. This fan is ogbonge, very unique. It comes with an inbuilt FM radio. Look at it here. Look at it. It comes with 2 units of energy saving bulb. These bulbs are 3 watts capacity. You know they chop energy at all. 3 watt bulb, you can even use it on any of your solutions. It comes with a solar panel, 10 watt solar panel that you can use to charge it. You can as well charge it with electricity. This is a must buy for every home. This one has